Is your Apple Watch overheating? This usually happens due to heavy usage, charging problems, or software bugs. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the overheating issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, take it off your wrist immediately. Then move your Apple Watch to a cooler environment away from direct sunlight or excessive heat. Allow it to cool down completely before attempting to use or charge it again. If it's charging, make sure the back of your Apple Watch is correctly and securely placed on the magnetic charger. Disconnect it from the charger and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off background app refresh. Go to the settings again, scroll down, tap General. Again, scroll down, tap background app refresh. Simply toggle it off. Solution 2. Remove recent apps history. Press the digital crown button 2 times. Now slide the recent tab to the left. Tap cross. Solution 3. Erase all content settings using iPhone. If your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch, then grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Resets. Tap Erase Apple Watch content and settings. Now tap Erase all content and settings. Again tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your Apple ID password. Then tap Erase from the top right corner. Solution 4. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. Hope you got the proper solution to solve the overheating issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.